This is part 2 of the video where we are going to learn how to make photo albums reusing materials. If you don't have seen part 1, please click on the card on the top of the screen. At the end of the video, you will find a card to this video again.
So the next step I decided to do is to place a little bit like a vignette here on the sides. Probably I like more in black. Here I was going to do it in black anyway. So, but I don't know if, I'm using a stamp pad, so, but you could use the same situation as you use here with crayons or pencils, markers, or old markers even. It's not too purple, it's not too black. Yeah. Let me do it in this chalk to see if I like it. Where are they? Oh. Do it like this and then what do you seem to like the most? Let me see if this is focused. Oh, I like both. I decided to experiment here with this purple and a little bit of black. So I placed the purple first, then a very light black. We have a video on how to make this, how to make some tags. Okay, so that you can reuse. Oh, I love this. I'll place the link in the description box below or in the card also. Just play around, see what you like. I have here some butterflies that I cut also. And for instance, if it didn't, this is, of course, this is one too dark. This is too dark, but if you would like butterflies instead, why not? See, so this is, I painted this one purple, this is acrylic paint, and these two are markers. They are not very bright, but that's another option. Let me put it close to you. So flowers, use collage, use what you have. So if you feel this is too dark, on the other side, and the opposite side, if you have a shadow on this side, you can have an highlight in white on this side. For instance, I can't use, my fingers are already all dirty. You can clean any excess that you might have in here. So now I'm gluing this to the cover. Look at this, so pretty. So I'm gluing this one in one of the sides and the other on the other one, opposite sides. And I'm going to show you what's the idea. The idea is to place a picture like this. I cut this from a magazine, so this is to place it here. I'm going to place this in this opposite side. I'm going to place one heart in here, one heart in here. This looks a little bit plain. I'm going to do some stenciling because I don't want too many 3D things on the inside, because I think that we could damage the photos, right? This is a stencil I made with the help of my Cricut. Let me see. Oh. So sorry for my hands, but I went to search between my scraps. I did also a border, see the difference? A border in here in black. So I went, and I think I'm going to use all these bits here because I have this art with this, so we can use any tiny bit of paper. I'm going to glue this down. So last night I decided to add more stamps like this one and this one, so because I thought that it was feeling a little bit empty, so I'm doing it on this side too. So let's glue down our hearts. I'm going to only use glue on the bottom here so that I can leave this part here open so that when we are placing the photo it will fit in here just like this. Okay, I'm gluing only this part over here, this bottom part here. Okay, so when we place our photos, this will be like this and this one like this. So this first one is finished and I'll make the end video in a little while. Like I promised, this is the final result of all three photo albums. I did some embossing here, but I will leave that for the next video because this video is already too long. Okay, I needed 3 hearts on this part, so here's some embossing and some extra pieces also of cardboard, and here on the back 2 more hearts and all these pieces. So this is one. This is the first that I completed with some stamping. Put it close to you so that you can see all the stamping. So, and this is the back. I used only 1 heart here on this one. This is another version, and this is the final one. This one I got inspired on this one and made the first one that I showed you. So this is all scraps that I saved, so, and I placed them in here. I'm going to use the photograph so that you can see and show you first the back. We are going to place a photo in here. We are going to place a photo beneath the heart because I think that will give it a huge embellishment. It looks quite nice. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for this or more ideas regarding saving resources. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next video.
If in part 1 I had a very fun moment when I found out I have a paint inspector, in this part I discovered that my cat is also a planet protector since she wanted to stop the camera that was on and I didn't know.
Cali. Não. Oh, miau! Está a dar patadas no coisa onde tu estás a gravar. No coisa. Oh, Cali!
Ali. O que ela está a fazer?
Primeiro ela estava a dar patadas aqui. E depois estava a puxar os corações para lá.
Tu és uma...
E está a gravar.
Está a gravar?
Tá. Deve ter sido a miau que mandou-lhe uma patada e começou a gravar.